Hello and welcome to the new Power BI tutorial video. And in this video, I want to show you what is Workspace in Power BI. So Workspace is an important concept in Power BI. And this video, I just wanted to make sure that you are aware of this, because whenever you are done with, let's say, your Power BI report or dashboard, and you want to share with your users or with fellow developers, you can do that with the help of Power BI Workspace very easily. So we'll see in a minute. And just before that, a quick information: if you have landed very first time on my channel, then you are seeing this Google Sheet. The link for this Google Sheet is present in the description. So it is a live Google Sheet. That means you can come here by using this link present in description. Search for any of my previously created videos, whether related to visualization, dashboard. As you can see, dashboard I have highlighted in light blue color, and very other different scenarios like finding duplicate or how to find and display best selling. I mean, just some examples, so that if you are encountering similar issues, you have the solutions just by quickly searching, because searching within the channel is sometimes difficult. So just to make that easy, I am keeping all of my video title related to Power BI here, as well as link is present in column B, so you can jump to that particular video there. So with that, let's go and talk about Workspace. Okay, so here I am in the app.powerbi.com. This is nothing but the Power BI service, and you need to have either the subscription or you need to be a free user to log in into that, or a trial user. I think trial is for 60 days. So this Power BI service, or this website app.powerbi.com, is something what you need to publish your Power BI reports and data sets. So if you see over here, you have these workspaces, and within there you can search for your workspaces. That means you can create multiple workspaces. For example, let's say you want to create one for sales, one for finance, one for HR, or within sales you have so many different things like opportunity reporting, or sales representative reporting, commission reporting, and things like those. So you can create those workspaces. The benefit with the workspace is that you can have all your related dashboard at one single place. As you can see, you can have dashboard, reports, workbook, and data sets. So all of this at one single place. And over here you can see that you have this opportunity analysis sample report, and you have this data set. So if you just want to see the content, then just click on content and you will get this report. If you want to see any data set or data flow, then you can see this opportunity sample data set as well. Or you can, if there is any flow, the flow will be present here, or data flow. So with this, you have this option over here by which you can click, and as you can see, I also need to upgrade to Power BI Pro to share it or use it for 60 days, right? With that, you will be able to share your reports with your users. If you come here, you have some couple of other options like analyze in Excel. You want to delete it, quick insight, it will create a very quick Power BI dashboard, view lineage, paginated report, manage permission. All of these things you can easily do it here. That way you can define a user or a user group over here. So how would you bring your report or dashboard over here? Well, for that, what do we need is basically this, our dashboard. So if you remember, this dashboard is what I have created as a tutorial for you. And let's say we want to publish it into a human resource workspace. So first thing is we come here again to app.powerbi.com. In the workspaces, let's create a workspace. Okay, not now. If I create not now, it will ask me to put it on a default. So I don't want to start my trial or pro, but I want to, let's say, publish again back to my workspace. Otherwise, if I just go ahead and do this trial period, then it will allow me to create the workspace. So with that, I go to file and I click on publish. When I click on publish, it will take me. So do you want to save your changes? So it will ask if there is any unsaved changes. So I'll click yes. And then it will give me the pop-up, where do I want to save this. So since I am already logged in with my account, it has identified a default workspace, which is my workspace. If there is, let's say, other workspaces, what I thought of creating, let's say human resource workspace or sales workspace, it will come over here. So we'll select this and it will start the publishing. So it's saying publishing diversity HR analytics dashboard.pbix to Power BI. And maybe here some tip, like you can create a portrait view of your report tailored for mobile phones on the view tab and mobile layout, maybe over here or maybe directly over there also you can do. So it is success and it has given you the link. So if you click on this link, it will open up the dashboard directly. So now let's see how this is coming. So you can see we are again in my workspaces and the dashboard is present here, right? So this is the diversity dash, and this is one more dashboard I think it got published along with this because it would be part of the same workbook. So it has published this entire workbook if you see. Okay, I'll need to cross this. So this is the HR analytics dashboard. So both of them have published here, and you can see you can click on this tab and you can view your dashboard. With that, you can share, you can chat in Teams about this dashboard. Even you can, if you want to make some changes, you can click on edit, and with that it will show, okay, any visualization you want to add. This is the data set which is over here, and this is the ask a question sort of a thing which you want to change. Even over here, I think formatting another thing you can do. Select this, come over here, do change some formatting on the fly. So that way, if on the fly some changes as a developer you want to make, you can make it. So with this, you can take a control when you are publishing the dashboard, and once everything is done, then you can again publish it back. You can save it and publish it back, or come over here in my workspace, and look, you can see your diversity dashboard is now coming along with the opportunity analysis dashboard, and you also have the data set as well. So that way you can have your dashboard published in a workspace, but workspace ideally lets us put all of our related content data set at one single place, and you can basically share with other users, collaborate with other developers if you want it. Also, you can share it with your end users from here. As you can see, it gives you the permission, or you can have the option of managing the permissions over here. With that, pretty much all I wanted to share in this video, but if you have any questions, you let me know, and hopefully I'll try to give the answer best of my abilities. With that, thank you so much for watching.